Sikshayati, platform for eminent authors engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email.
Standard deviation. Calculate the standard deviation from actual mean and deviation from assumed mean of the marks obtained by 10 students in a certain test. So the first row shows the serial number of students and second row shows the respective marks obtained by the students. So we get the column where first column shows the serial number, second we make two sets of data for method A, that is from actual mean, and the method B to compute deviation from assumed mean. So in the first set of data we have in the first column marks, then the second column deviation from actual mean. So first we compute the actual mean, that is the average of the sum of the marks obtained. So that is 1/10 into 525 is equal to 52.5 marks. So the second column shows the value from the deviation from the actual mean, that is 52.5. The third column shows the square of the deviation, that is d square. Similarly in the method to B, we have in the first column the marks obtained, and the second column shows a deviation from assumed mean. Here we assume a mean of 50, so we get the deviation from this assumed mean 50, and the third column we get the square of the deviation of the assumed mean. The last row in the table shows the total of the deviation from actual mean and assumed mean. So now we have got standard deviation sigma is equal to square root of 1746.50, that is deviation from actual mean divided by 10 is equal to square root of 174.65 is equal to 13.21 marks. Here the average marks is 52.5 and they deviate on an average from the average by 13.2 marks. Now in method standard B, standard deviation from assumed mean, we have sigma d square by n minus sigma d by n square is equal to square root of 1809 by 10 minus 25 by 10 square is equal to 180.9 minus 6.25 is equal to square root of 174.65 is equal to 13.2 marks. So if the actual mean we find that if the actual mean is in fraction, then it is better to take deviation from the assumed mean to avoid complicated calculations.
Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.